Hello, this is the Epic Atheist, and I'm back, this time to talk about the thing that's going to be coming out today, I've heard. I'm uploading this on June 30th, 2014, so if you watch this video a month later or something, you understand why I'm saying today the Hobby Lobby decision is going to come out. And now let me give you a brief description of what the whole Hobby Lobby thing is, and then I'm going to get into what I think about it. Okay, so the Hobby Lobby thing is, Hobby Lobby is basically saying that offering birth control in their insurance plan is against their religious beliefs, and they don't want to do that. So they don't want that part of it, so they're suing to say, hey, we want our religious freedom to be against this, so we don't want to have to offer these services through our insurance plans to our employees. Okay, now that's the basic story. What do I think of this? Well, you don't have the right to force your religion and claim that people are forcing you to go against your religion. See, this court decision should not have taken as long as it should have. I heard about this months ago. This should have taken 5 minutes of them actually laughing at Hobby Lobby and going, wait, you want to force your religious beliefs on your employees and claim that we're forcing our religious beliefs on you. No. Nobody at Hobby Lobby is forced to have an abortion or take birth control. Nobody. They have the option to do this through their insurance plan like it should be. It absolutely should be that way. This is absurd. This doesn't make any sense. This is ridiculous. If this comes out where Hobby Lobby gets their way, it is going to be a slippery slope. People talk about the slippery slope with gay rights. Okay, so gay people, so the wording that is used is two consenting adults of a consenting age would like to have the same rights as other people of the opposite genders. So, using those words, how can you use a slippery slope argument? All the arguments you use are now null and void because I've just explained it in the actual wording. Now, what Hobby Lobby wants to do is basically say, if I don't like something in my insurance plan that I feel is against my religion, I can now tell my employees that they have to go either pay for it themselves, which is going to be the case, or they have to go pay for an insurance plan which has that. This is freaking absurd. It's just freaking absurd. Hobby Lobby is saying, we don't want the government to force their religious beliefs on us, which they don't have any. The government has no religion. There's no religion in the government, by actually forcing their religious beliefs on their employees. Now, how does this lead to a slippery slope? Well, let's say a Jehovah's Witness business owner says, I don't like blood transfusions. I don't like them. They're against my religion, and so I don't want that in my insurance plan. Well, now if somebody needs a blood transfusion to live, they now have to either pay for it, which is probably going to be an expensive thing, probably something they might not be able to afford, or they have to have another insurance plan that covers that. This is ridiculous. Hobby Lobby, if you ever watch this video, which you won't, you should be ashamed of yourself for even suggesting this. See, fundamentalist Christians in America are like, we're not getting our way, we're being oppressed! No, you're not. You control so much. Finally, when people are fighting back, that is not oppressing you. We're fighting for equal rights. I don't want an atheist group to be able to say, we don't want X. I can't even think what an atheist wouldn't want. But even if I could think of something, I don't want an atheist to be able to do this. I don't want a Jew to be able to do this. I don't want a Muslim to be able to do this. I don't want a Christian to be able to do this. I want nobody to be able to do this. I want it to be fair. I want our government to be fair. This just frustrates me. This is ridiculous. This was the Epic Atheist. If you have a comment, please leave it below. Tell me what you think. I am Epic, and so are you.